Ever wondered how bacon jerky is made? This increasingly popular snack combines the irresistible taste of bacon with the convenient, portable nature of jerky, creating a unique product that has captured the attention of snack enthusiasts worldwide. The global market for this specialty snack has grown exponentially, with annual sales reaching hundreds of millions of pounds. Today, we'll take an in-depth look at the fascinating journey from farm to package, exploring every intricate step of the manufacturing method that transforms raw pork into this beloved treat. The journey begins at specially selected pig farms, where the quality of the final result is determined long before manufacturing begins. These farms, primarily located in regions renowned for their superior pork production, such as Yorkshire in the United Kingdom, Denmark, and the Netherlands, raise specific breeds of pigs known for their ideal protein-to-fat ratio. The most commonly used breeds include Yorkshire, Duroc, and Berkshire pigs, each chosen for their superior marbling characteristics and consistent quality. These animals are raised under strictly controlled conditions, following rigorous welfare standards that ensure not only the ethical treatment of the animals, but also the optimal development of their meat. The pigs are typically raised until they reach between 100 and 120 kilograms, a weight that has been determined to provide the perfect balance of protein maturity and fat content. During their growth period, the animals are fed a carefully formulated diet that includes a mixture of grains, proteins, and essential nutrients. This diet plays a crucial role in developing the proper fat marbling and texture that will eventually contribute to the quality of the finished result. The pork bellies, the primary cut used in production, are selected based on strict criteria, including size, fat content, and overall quality. Each belly must meet specific measurements, typically between 28 and 32 centimeters in length, with a fat-to-lean ratio of approximately 50-50. This precise ratio is crucial for achieving the perfect texture and flavor in the outcome. The meat must also show excellent color consistency, with the lean portions displaying a healthy pink hue and the fat appearing white and firm. Upon arrival at the manufacturing facility, each batch of pork bellies undergoes a thorough inspection procedure. Trained quality control specialists examine every piece, checking for any signs of damage, discoloration, or inconsistencies. The pork is also tested for pH levels, which should fall between 5.8 and 6.2, as this range ensures optimal stability and flavor development. Heat monitoring is equally crucial, with all incoming meat required to maintain a consistent heat level between 0 and 4 degrees Celsius throughout transportation and initial storage. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. The cleaning and preparation phase begins with a preliminary trimming procedure, where skilled workers remove any excess fat, skin, or irregular portions that don't meet the strict specifications. This trimming ensures uniformity in the final result and helps maintain consistent drying times during later manufacturing stages. The trimmed bellies then enter a series of sanitizing stages, designed to eliminate any potential contamination while preserving the bacon's natural qualities. The first cleaning stage involves a high-pressure water spray system that removes any surface debris or contaminants. The water used in this procedure is purified and maintained at a precise heat level of 4 degrees Celsius to prevent any bacterial growth. Following the initial spray, the meat passes through a series of food-grade sanitizing solution baths. These solutions are carefully formulated to eliminate harmful bacteria while maintaining the pork's natural characteristics. After the sanitizing baths, the meat undergoes another rinse cycle using filtered water to remove any remaining sanitizing solution. This rinse cycle utilizes a combination of spray nozzles and gentle agitation to ensure thorough cleaning while preventing any damage to the pork structure. The entire cleaning procedure is completed within 20 minutes to maintain the cold chain and prevent any heat abuse that could affect meat quality. The primary manufacturing stage marks the beginning of the transformation from raw pork belly to bacon jerky. This phase starts with the crucial curing process, which not only adds flavor, but also helps preserve the pork and develop its characteristic texture. The curing mixture is carefully formulated using a blend of ingredients, including sea salt, sodium nitrite, sugar, and various proprietary spice blends. Each ingredient serves a specific purpose, with the salt acting as a preservative and flavor enhancer, sodium nitrite providing color stability and preventing bacterial growth, and sugar balancing the saltiness while promoting proper drying. Modern manufacturing facilities utilize sophisticated multi-needle injectors that can process up to 1,000 kilograms of bacon per hour. These machines feature arrays of thin needles that precisely inject the curing solution throughout the meat, ensuring even distribution. The injection rate is carefully controlled to achieve a specific pickup percentage, typically between 12 and 15% of the pork's original weight. This precise control ensures consistency in both flavor and preservation levels throughout each batch. Following injection, the meat enters large stainless steel tumbling drums, where it undergoes a mechanical massage. These drums can hold up to 500 kilograms of pork and rotate at carefully controlled speeds, typically between 4 and 8 revolutions per minute. The tumbling serves multiple purposes. It helps distribute the curing solution evenly throughout the bacon, breaks down muscle fibers to improve texture, and promotes protein extraction, which will later contribute to the proper binding of the pork proteins during the drying. The tumbling phase continues for between 4 and 6 hours, with periodic rest intervals that allow the meat to relax and absorb the curing solution more effectively. The drums are maintained at a constant heat level of 4 degrees Celsius throughout this procedure, and each drum is equipped with vacuum capability, which helps draw the curing solution deeper into the protein structure while preventing oxidation that could affect flavor and color development. After tumbling, the meat enters a resting phase in temperature-controlled chambers. During these 24 hours, the curing ingredients continue to react with the bacon proteins, developing flavor and ensuring proper preservation. The heat is maintained at exactly 4 degrees Celsius, and humidity levels are controlled to prevent any surface drying that could interfere with the curing. The smoking phase follows the curing procedure and represents another crucial step in flavor development. Modern smoking chambers can process up to 2,000 kilograms of pork at once and use a combination of natural hardwood sawdust and precise heat control to achieve the perfect smoke flavor and color. The most commonly used woods include hickory, apple, and maple, each chosen for their distinct flavor profiles and ability to complement the meat's natural taste. The smoking procedure typically takes between 8 and 12 hours and follows a carefully controlled curve. The initial phase starts at a lower level of around 50 degrees Celsius, gradually increasing to 70 degrees Celsius as the procedure continues. This gradual increase helps develop the proper color and smoke penetration while ensuring the bacon proteins are not damaged by excessive heat. After smoking, the meat enters a cooling phase where the heat level is gradually reduced to -2 degrees Celsius. This precise level is crucial for the next stage of manufacturing, as it allows for clean, precise slicing of the pork. The cooling procedure takes approximately 4 hours and must be carefully controlled to prevent any condensation that could affect the bacon's texture. The slicing phase utilizes high-speed industrial slicing machines equipped with razor-sharp blades that can maintain their cutting edge for extended periods. These machines can process up to 500 kilograms of pork per hour, producing uniform strips exactly 3 millimeters thick. The consistency and thickness is crucial for ensuring even drying and proper texture development in the final product. The sliced bacon then enters the marination phase, where it's coated with a specially developed seasoning mixture. This mixture typically includes a blend of brown sugar, black pepper, garlic powder, and various other spices that give each manufacturer's product its unique flavor profile. The marination process takes place in temperature-controlled tumbling units that ensure even coating of all strips while maintaining proper heat control. The marination phase typically lasts between 4 and 6 hours, during which the meat absorbs the flavorings while maintaining its structural integrity. The tumbling action is gentler than in the initial manufacturing stage to prevent any damage to the sliced pork. Throughout this process, the heat level is maintained at 4 degrees Celsius to ensure food safety and proper flavor development. The drying phase represents one of the most critical stages in the production procedure. Modern drying chambers use sophisticated climate control systems that maintain precise heat and humidity levels throughout the drying cycle. The chambers can process thousands of kilograms of product at once, with the meat arranged on specially designed racks that allow for optimal air circulation. The drying procedure typically takes between 12 and 16 hours, with heat levels carefully controlled between 65 and 70 degrees Celsius. During this time, the moisture content of the bacon is gradually reduced from approximately 65% to less than 15%. This reduction must occur at a carefully controlled rate to prevent case hardening or other texture defects that could affect the quality of the final result. Following the drying procedure, the product enters a crucial cooling phase where it's gradually brought down to room temperature under controlled conditions. This cooling must be carefully managed to prevent any moisture reabsorption that could affect the food's shelf stability. The cooling phase typically takes between 2 and 3 hours and occurs in specially designed chambers with precise humidity control. The packaging begins with another inspection as the product passes through highly sensitive metal detectors capable of identifying even the smallest metal particles. Following this safety check, the jerky moves to the packaging area, which operates under strict hygiene controls with filtered air systems and positive pressure to prevent any contamination. Modern packaging lines can process up to 1,000 packages per hour, utilizing high-speed automated systems that ensure consistent package weights and proper sealing. The jerky is typically packaged in specially designed multi-layer packaging materials that provide excellent barrier properties against oxygen and moisture. These packaging materials often consist of multiple layers, including metallized films and high-barrier polymers that work together to maintain product freshness and extend shelf life. Transportation of the product requires careful attention to maintaining proper storage conditions throughout the journey. Specially equipped trucks with heat monitoring systems ensure the jerky remains at the correct level during transit. These vehicles are often equipped with GPS tracking systems that allow real-time monitoring of both location and heat conditions throughout the journey. The distribution network for this spans across multiple regions, with major markets including North America, Europe, and Asia. At the retail level, the product is typically displayed in specially designed merchandising units that protect it from light and maintain proper heat conditions. Modern production facilities can produce up to 5,000 kilograms of finished jerky per day, operating on carefully scheduled production cycles that ensure consistent flow while maintaining the highest quality standards. The industry continues to evolve, with ongoing research and development focused on improving production efficiency, developing new flavor varieties, and enhancing packaging technologies to better serve consumer needs. If you enjoyed learning about how bacon jerky is made, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content on food production.